on to, we are going to get cash crops. Cash crops are those crops which gives you income. Okay. First is cotton. Cotton is a kharif crop. Cotton holds an important place in cash crop in Gujarat. Okay. It's an important cash crop in Gujarat and in India. At world level, India is second in the place of production, usage and export of cotton. So in the world, we are at number second for production of cotton, for use of cotton and for exporting cotton. Cotton that is without seed is obtained from the cotton plant. So you get cotton from the cotton plant. This cotton is known as white gold in India. In India, you call this as a white gold. Besides the cotton, seed oil is used as an edible oil and seeds and oil cakes are used for animal fodder. So what happens that whatever cocoa seed you get, from that you can produce oil which can be used for cooking. Edible meaning you can use it for cooking. And whatever remains out of that oil seeds, that is the oil cake, you can give it to the animals as food. Black lava soil which can retain humidity for longer time. Soil with plenty of mineral contents, hot and humid climate, 20 to 35 degree Celsius temperature and about 30 to 70 centimeter rainfall etc. are favorable conditions for cotton. So what kind of soil is required? Black lava soil which can retain humidity, meaning it which can keep moisture in the soil, which is very moisturous, which is very humid. Okay, humid means which has lot of moisture. Okay, so those soil which can keep moisture for a longer period of time, which has lot of mineral contents. Okay, and especially that is why it is grown in that area where the temperature is humid or where the temperature has lot of moisture in it. How much temperature is required? 20 to 35 degrees Celsius and 30 to 70 centimeter rainfall. The growing season for cotton is about 6 to 8 months. It takes about 6 to 8 months for cotton to grow. Frost damage the cotton crop. Frost એટલે કોક વાર જ્યારે કળા પડે, right? So that when that happens, when it becomes very very cold, then the cotton crop gets damaged. In India, major cotton producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, etc. So all these places are major cotton producing states. As the farmers of Gujarat have accepted BT cotton seeds, Gujarat stands first in India in the area zone productivity, total production and quality of cotton. So what has happened is that Indian farmers, the farmers in India, especially in Gujarat, they are using better quality seeds. BT cotton seeds meaning they are very good quality seeds in cotton, and that is why all over India, Gujarat is first in production of cotton, in quality of cotton, and from Gujarat is very good. Cotton is grown more in Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sabarkantha, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar and Patan districts. So in Gujarat, in all these places, cotton is grown at the maximum level. Okay, you have to do this maps. Okay, you have to do the map over here. Okay, if you have the colors, please color it. Okay. Moving on, we'll talk about sugarcane. Sugarcane એટલે you have that sugarcane juice, the ganna ka juice. Okay, that is sugarcane. Sherdi. Okay, a sherdi is called as sugarcane. Sugarcane is a major crop in India. Maximum sugarcane is sown in India in the world in production. So all over the world, India stands first in the production of sugarcane. India ranks second after Brazil. Okay, wait, sorry. Okay, so sorry, I made a mistake. Sugarcane is a major crop in India, and maximum sugarcane is sown in India in the world. So what are they saying? We grow a lot of sugarcane in India, and India ranks second after Brazil. After Brazil, we are the second for the production of sugarcane. Sugar, gur, khandsari and ethanol are produced out of sugarcane. So what all can you get from sugarcane? You get sugar. Sugar is your khand. Gur. Gur means your good, or you call it god. And khandsuri and ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol which you get from sugarcane. Black fertile alluvial lava soil had hot and humid climate. 21. It has to be 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius temperature, 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall are necessary for sugarcane. So what do you require? Black fertile lava soil is required. Climate has to be hot and humid, and temperature has to be 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius, and rainfall has to be between 75 to 100 centimeter. Now Uttar Pradesh is top in the area sown, but Maharashtra leads in the production. So maximum of amount of sugarcane sown એટલે ઉગાડવામાં ઉત્તર પ્રદેશમાં આવે છે, but Maharashtra produces maximum number of sugarcane. South Gujarat and Saurashtra produce sugarcane in Gujarat. So in Gujarat you get it in Saurashtra and South Gujarat. Next is jute. Okay, India jute ના તમારા bags બને, ચપ્પલ બને, baskets બને. Okay, that is jute. Files બને. Jute. India produces maximum jute in the world. The jute fiber is called the golden fiber. Remember, this is called the golden fiber, and white gold is called cotton. Okay, so India produces maximum jute in the world. Jute cloth, gunny bags, mattress, ropes, bag, footwear, handicraft items, etc. are made from jute. So you can make bag, clothes, chappals, all these things are made from jute. India has a strong competition with cheap laborers of Bangladesh in jute industries. So what happens is that we are in competition with Bangladesh for jute, okay, because even jute production is very high in Bangladesh, okay. Jute requires the fertile soil of delta region where new sediment deposits every year. Hot and humid climate of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius is required. So what is required? Jute requires a very, very fertile soil of delta region. Delta is down in the south, is your delta region, where new sediments are deposited every year, meaning every year the river has to bring new soil or new layers of soil. Only after in such condition jute can be grown. Okay, what does the climate require? Hot and humid climate is required for jute, and about 30 to 40 degrees Celsius temperature is required for jute. 100 centimeter rainfall is also required. Jute is grown more in Ganga Delta in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Orissa and Uttar Pradesh. So in all these regions where river Ganga is, maximum amount of jute is grown over there. Moving on to tobacco. Okay, tobacco is a kharif crop. Sandy loomy soil, 20 degrees Celsius temperature and 100 centimeter rainfall is suitable for tobacco cultivation. So what kind of soil is required? Sandy soil. Temperature has to be 20 degrees Celsius and 100 centimeter rainfall. Soil is determined factor that then climate for tobacco cultivation. So what are they saying is climate is not necessary for tobacco cultivation, rather soil is very important for tobacco cultivation. Major 4 countries in the world which grow and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India and USA. So these are the 4 countries which export tobacco. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka are major producing tobacco in India. So in India, which are the states which produces tobacco? Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. The Charotar region of Kheda district, Anand, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal grow more tobacco. About 80% of the BD tobacco of India is produced in Gujarat. So about all over India, 80% BD which is made from tobacco in India is produced in Gujarat. Tobacco is used to make gudka, BD, cigarette, etc. Tobacco consumption is harmful for health. Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco gudka. So what happens? You make gudka, like mao, BD, cigarette, all these things are made, and tobacco is very harmful for health. And Sikkim is the first state to ban mawa or gudka that is made from tobacco.